Come as you are. Wayne Marshall.
No one that come as it is, but.
And Neville.
Flang it here, Prince.
All right, so here the deal now. How well.
Thank you, dude.
Do we know these people here?
Is how come we don't on it?
Because it's we doing the guessing.
Oh.
That's the challenge for us this morning. We'll be shown a clue and we'll have to figure out who it applies to. But that is so simple. Just show me her shoes and we just say, Sama.
Pretty, them pretty. There's some pretty girls up on the front. And some fellows. One of them at any rate.
All right. Let's see the first clue. Wait, stop. We're doing this together or we're supposed to try to do it?
Come as you are.
We're doing it
together.
Oh, we're doing it together. All right, so that's easy then.
And I get it, go.
Go.
I was born in Australia. You have to show us something.
Oh. Empressita.
Down under.
Then that, when I done say that already.
I bet you a lot of you never know that.
Yeah.
What again, Shawno?
When I was 17, I won a recording contract with Tuff Gong and winning a community talent show and performing Whitney Houston.
Wait. I have to think about this. Because it could be Saki too, you know. I'm going to say it was... Oh man, sorry Dales. Oh my gosh. That's what I can sing. So
no, I understand because I put it up 14 years ago.
I was starting through it, that's why.
Yeah.
Okay, so Delia, you want a recording contract with Tuff Gong?
Yeah, that was a big singer.
So then,
I am terrified at ticks and leeches.
Because the greatest
love of all.
Oh. I think you're right, you know, because Extra looked like he would run from a ticks and also a leech. But I don't want to go with your answer, so I'm going to go with Saki again. Don't let me down, Saki. Yaki. I found the great.
You know, you is the worst son in the history of sons.
Love what goes inside.
Why you just sure? All right.
La próxima pregunta es.
The next question is.
I watched the movie
300.
That sounds like Delia, because Delia will watch the same movie 1,500 times.
I watched the movie. I never even see a movie named 300.
Well,
if I didn't know what kind of movie, I'd tell you. What kind of movie is 300?
Is 300 a horror movie, Jody? No. Science fiction?
Is what? If I didn't know. Huh?
Oh. I think it's Delia.
No, if it's, that's what I say. If I don't know the movie, but I went.
It's like a Game of Thrones.
It's an action movie. What you say?
Just do extra.
You said Delia?
Yeah. I found the
no, son, I'm not go with you. I'm go back with my son. Son, make I explain. Let's see if you make I lose this one again.
I think it's his time for a clue though, so maybe I think you're right.
He's the #1 son in the world. Yes.
Only by process of rotation.
No.
It was his turn to be an answer for a question.
Whatever.
Next question, please.
I won a gold medal at the JCDC. I don't know who this is.
It could have been either of them, because I think the both of them did.
Can
you have a answer with...
In the speech category?
Can I have a question with 2 answers?
No. Speech?
I think they both did. I'm sure Saki probably did too. But I'm going to go with Dahlia for this one.
Wait, no, don't
move. She wants several.
Don't move yet, man. Why did they have me?
And also...
Sakina Bina. May I go with the great and outstanding Sakina Doe.
I'm going with a double answer.
May I go with Doe? No, you said Dahlia from first. Sakina Doe. I'm doing. He's the worst son in the world.
We need to see him perform one day.
Doing. That's something know my son a big thing, you know.
Hold on. So Delia won a Tuff Gong contract. Dwayne won a JCDC medal.
But he won it when he was supposed to prep our primary school.
It said 7. What didn't it just say 7?
No, it was
prep school. Well, still, we need to see him do something. And then Empress can. We need to have a talent show one Friday, Shauna, please.
I said it. I said it from Christmas that you should have performed. You did not.
No, when I said we, right?
No,
I wasn't speaking French.
No, I am the moderator.
All of us. There's no
Shana, turn off everything, yeah, because I hear and everything. Yeah?
What is next?
Next. I briefly attended Whitfield Town All Age.
Where is Whitfield Town, please?
Whitfield Town is down by where the road down by the wharf, the Marcus Garvey Drive? Where Petra Jam is.
Yes.
Inside, yeah, inside this or somewhere. Wait, no.
Whitfield Town,
you don't say Sakina, though.
My mo, catch a matter by the toe. If you ever let him go.
No,
sorry.
Sakina, may I work with you again, you know? Sakina, though, me say. May I work with you again, Sakina, though. Delia. You know I was going to say Delia?
I thought Delia went to school in Portimore.
She said briefly.
Where her mommy was a principal.
Briefly. I was going to say Delia, you know. Mommy never said it. But like I was going to say it, I can't get a point.
No, not for real.
All right, what's the next one?
You was going to go to the bathroom and you wet up yourself. You was going to get a point for that?
Oh, what analogy? What kind of analogy?
It's showing the difference between was going to an actual.
Well, that was the worst example in life.
But don't you understand the point?
No, not really. That is incredible.
Auntie Faye always said the last, when you say, I thought so and so, she said, you know, the last man who thought.
I believe there is some truth to reincarnation.
Oh, wait. Is we all up now?
Nobody knows so.
I think maybe it's this chick here.
No? Empressita?
I think so.
Oh.
Reincarnation and reparation when you do reincarnation.
Shana Tuna, tell me this, so we will never go guess.
He's doing. I don't think he's doing.
It's Sakina.
Oh, wow.
Totally wrong.
So never going to come back as a water. A lizard. It's possible though.
I? No, man.
Next.
Come. When I was 10, I finished in the top 10 of my school's spelling bee competition.
You just have to roll the dice.
No, sir. I'll go with the great
nobody.
Yeah, man, your phone just smashed up.
Oh, gosh. Sorry, Supreme Ventures. That did not just happen.
Oh, it's not your phone?
It is. Come again. 10. Spelling bee. You have Dales?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to say Dales. Jeez, I'm crying. You know, it's extra. I was going, man, you know, we are doing really poorly this morning.
You know, say, as my son, you're not.
You know why? Because it's all this brilliance that he's doing. We don't connect those things to you.
I'm an idiot. But my son and them is idiot.
Doesn't make sense.
But you know, Shana told me before, so we would never get somebody.
I know.
All right, come again. I'm not getting no more. I speak Japanese. Well, it's Empressita, but she don't speak Japanese. She knows some stuff in Japanese like me. I could say konnichiwa and genki desu ka. You don't mean it. Yeah, that's what we get.
All the while, she do it.
She don't speak Japanese. She have words in Japanese. Like
well, then she speak then?
No.
What she do? Sing then?
I could say Guten Morgen. You know me speak German. I can say good morning in German. I don't speak German. I took a year off between high school and university to do charity work. Did I go university? Dwayne go university.
Did Empress go to
Empress go university?
Empress has done a lot of charity work.
Hold on, don't move, you know.
But you trick us because you just gave us an Empress question. So why would you give us 2 Empress questions in a row, Shorno? I see what you are doing there. So I am going to change my answer because I will not be tricked more.
Sakina?
I bet it wrong.
Don't move. It's not Sakina. You don't want to feel this, my son, again.
Why my dad keep dropping?
All right, here.
Wait, I'm going to say it's Empress.
I'll go with Dela.
This is just a disaster on so many levels.
I have something to say about what you're doing right now.
Adult much?
Come, Shana, you were right. Come, no, man. Interesting if they've been doing it with me and you. I represent. Oh, I know this one. Delia.
Of course.
This is Delia.
I thought that's easy one.
Delia for sure.
Who is laughing in the control room in capital H-A-H-A's?
Delia. Yeah, we know that.
Come, next one.
Next one. Come,
I can break this. Never can beat me.
My favorite media personality is Mutabaruka.
This one look too easy now. Shauna. I see what you're doing there.
Wait now.
You cannot trick me.
I want to say my son, but the question would be why is not me is your favorite media personality. So me will say my son. Come in, son. Sonny.
I don't think he's your son.
Sonny. If it's you, you get that money. Sonny. Sonny! You get $1 from me tomorrow.
Well, who's the real father?
How come it's not me? Is your favorite media personality? Your dunce bat?
No, he meant to say radio personality.
Oh,
if she had said TV or overall,
I created a Jamaican trivia card game.
Empressita.
Wait, no, man. That go up too quick.
It was Empress.
But you know.
What was it doing?
You
cannot hop my answer.
I see it there.
No, you can't hop my answer.
Of course.
No.
No, there is strategy to the game, you know. So if I go with you, the two of you get it right and the two of you get it wrong.
Kick away your foot, you know.
Strategy.
That's not fair, Shauna.
While growing up, I wanted 6 children. Empressita.
Oh, wait, I never saw that question. Yes, Empress wants a brood.
You see, you were using my trick. And it may work for you.
Me don't want to die.
Hold on, watch this. Don't get up, don't get up. Don't get up.
Good job, footballer. I was once quiz champion for my conference of churches. In Jesus' name, it's Dale's.
Delia?
Me no know. After me no know.
There is method. Delia. So she put up doing. She put up doing.
Because I'm too fire fashion, monkey never drink good soup.
Is there another one?
No, it's done. Okay. You win. Go on. Go on now.
I was born
I haven't seen you dance in a long time. Turn up the music, Shauna.
No, me can't bother the dance. You know, see me not dance this man.
Go on.
Dance thing.
Go on.
You know, at first
just
I just
do it and done. Just go. I'm gonna do it anyway, so let's go.
Long time we don't do it. Me remember how me do it again. Me a new one, because of me win. Me win. Yeah. Yes.
You don't win any money, you know. No. Not. Yeah. Just saying. We're done. Shake my hand.
Where?